Hello Myrtle Beach, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you the drive logic inside of the X5 M competition. So drive logic is on all of our M cars. You'll have this gear shifter here. Now this one is special. It's almost like a manual where you go into reverse, you go into drive. But in drive you also have sequential driving. So if I push it over again, then I am controlling all the shift times. Now on top of this, you also have the drive logic. Now up here on the dash, you'll see 3 bars next to the D for drive. So for normal driving, the first level is for efficient driving. Then if I push the button, you go into the second, which is just sportier, faster driving. And finally the third is for the maximum, the most sporty, there's no efficiency about it. And then if I go over to sequential, now you'll see it goes back down, because in sequential it means something different. The first level is for comfort driving. You're controlling the shift times again, and it's just very smooth. If I go up to the second level, then it's faster, it's sporty, it's still got a little bit of comfort to it. But if I go to the last one, that is maximum shift times that the car will be able to handle, and that is also how you go into the launch control if you ever want to do that inside of an M car. So that has been the drive logic inside of the X5 M competition. I hope you guys enjoyed.